आजपासून आपण एन्व्हायरमेंटल लॉला सुरुवात करत आहोत. तर एन्व्हायरमेंटल लॉ म्हणजे काय ते तुम्हाला आधीपासून माहितीच आहे. एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणजे काय तर वातावरण. आजूबाजूचे जे वातावरण आहे त्याचा जो अभ्यास आहे हा आपण एन्व्हायरमेंटल लॉमध्ये करणार आहोत. तर आतापर्यंत आपण पर्यावरण हा विषय आपल्या प्रत्येकाला होता. एन्व्हायरमेंट हा विषय आपण प्रत्येकजण शिकलेलो आहोत. सो हिअर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द लॉज ऑफ एन्व्हायरमेंट. Because we are making so much pollution around us. So what are the laws for that? What are the punishment for that? We are learning in this law. Okay, so I have prepared this law in question answer form because it will be useful for your exam also and for understanding also. So the question number 1 is, what is the environment? Discuss the nature and source and effect of environment pollution. So we will see in the first question, what is the environment? Whenever there are two questions are asking, listen here, what is the environment is one question, and discuss the nature and source and effect of environment pollution. These are two different questions, but it are we are answering together. But marking system is like that. If it have 15 marks, then 7 marks for what is environment, you should give it definition. And second question is also important. If you write first question very nicely, then you will get 7 out of 7 marks. And whenever you will write second question, then only you will get the out of 15 marks. Okay, so write properly both the questions. The word environment is derived from French term environner, which means surrounding. What is the meaning of environment? This word is derived from the term environ, environner. त्याचा अर्थ काय होतो? विच मीन्स सराउंडिंग, एक्सटर्नल कंडिशन इन्फ्लुएन्सिंग डेव्हलपमेंट और ग्रोथ ऑफ पीपल, animals or plants, living or working conditions, etc. Listen, environner have a broad meaning. So many things are covered under this definition. What are that? That are, which means surrounding, परिसर आपल्या आजूबाजूचा. एक्सटर्नल कंडिशन, व्हॉट एक्सटर्नल कंडिशन? इन्फ्लुएन्सिंग डेव्हलपमेंट और ग्रोथ ऑफ पीपल, not only people, growth of animals or plants, living or working conditions, etc. Also it comes under this definition, the meaning of environner. Okay.